It's a robin. Just sitting there, not really doing anything. I was thinking, I've never seen a robin eat from a bird feeder. Ever. But that doesn't mean anything. But after this video, I'm going to ask Google if robins eat out of bird feeders. Let's see if it catches a worm. Or if it'll sing us a song. Robins really do have a beautiful singing voice. I was thinking if a robin was going to be in a band, what kind of band would it be in? And the first thing I thought was rock and roll. But no. And then, isn't there a song called, like, Rockin' Robin? But I think that a robin would be more opera, orchestra, like that. All right. Well, we're at a minute, and I'll stop at 2 minutes if it doesn't do anything. But I appreciate the stop, and it'll probably do something like catch a worm as soon as I stop videoing. Oh, it walked. Turned around. So see, you can see its red chest. Ooh, went for something. It's going for something. I can't help but wonder if it's one of the babies or one of the parents from last year. Remember that in the back? That was so neat. I really hope to. Wait, I think she caught something. A worm. I saw it with my eye. I don't know if y'all saw it in the video, but I saw the worm fling. At least that's what I think I saw. Well, looky there, right when I was about to end it. We got some action. Gee, she has something. Had something. I haven't really seen a lot of birds or any hummingbird action. In fact, I'm gonna, when I stop this video and ask Google, do robins eat out of bird feeders, I'm also going to make new hummingbird food. But the ants got in it the other day, so I had to take it down. But today's September 11th. That's just a day nobody should ever forget. It's glued to the TV. It's terrible. Really think about so many families, affected by that. I took Sophianne to the vet today, and that went pretty good. She's on some pain meds. Oh, did you see that? Did you see that? That was a good fling. I think you guys even were able to see that on the video. It turns out she's just an old lady with arthritis, is the bottom line. I mean, she is 16. It's legit. And there's a little problem with her knee, and a little bit of heartburn, or a little bit of a heart murmur. But all things considering her age, and that she still eats, and oh, did you see that? That was a... There is no way you can still see it moving. Look at it. I can't get any closer. I can't zoom in. And I'm afraid if I get up from here... I'm afraid if I get up to get closer, that I'm zoomed in as much as I can. That worm looks like a centipede. Man, I really hope you guys can see it. You can. I'm looking at the lens too. Wow. Well, that worm looks like a snake, doesn't it? Wow, that is really big. I think I'm gonna take a chance and get up. I don't think the robin will forfeit its worm. I'll just try to move slowly. See, it took it. Look how big that thing is. I'm so glad that for video and that I get to share this moment with you. This is nature. If I had been in the house watching TV or something, I would have missed this, you know, without having a clue. And that would just be sad. But anyway, all things considered, you know, Sophie Ann's age and that she's still eating and she is 16, you know, arthritis is expected. I think she ate the whole thing. I bet you she'll fly off now. But I'm closer. I can see from here and in person, but I know the video isn't great because my camera's ancient. But you get the idea at any rate. And I was going to say something else. Okay, today's 9/11. Yeah. And, seen the worm, Sophie Ann. I think that's about it. Maybe she'll catch another one. Oh wait, 30 more seconds. But thanks for watching with me if you did. Doubtful we're going on almost 9 minutes. Okay, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.